I'll explain what relative strength, guys. We use a relative strength on our charts. And when something gets below 20, we look for a possible reversal to the upside. And when something gets above 80, we look for a possible reversal to the downside. And if we look at the video this morning, we went from 856 to 824. We were down 32 points in the video at one point this morning. And if you look when the stock made its lows at the relative strength, it was around 17. So that means that the stock is extremely oversold. So when anything below 20 is telling us that the stock is oversold, and we look for a reversal from the bottom of the candlestick that it just made. And the way that I'm going to execute this trade is go to the 1 minute chart, okay? And the second we see the green bar start to form, I don't even wait till that minute bar is over. We grab a little with a market order to get into the trade. My stop order simply goes, if it made a new low, I would get out of the trade. So we were able to get in this right around 826, I think, this morning. This was really the only trade we needed to have today. We got in this about 826, and our first real resistance in this was up at 852. You know, that's a 26-point move. Well, obviously taking profits as this goes up. We're not going to sit in the entire trade for 26 points. But it's very important when we get into a trade, if we're getting into it for a technical reason, and we call this the far from moving average trade, because that's just what it is, right? That we hold on to some of our trade at least until it gets a resistance point. So we're getting in for a technical reason. We want to hold on to it until it gets to a technical reason to get out of the trade. So I think we made an average of like 15 or 16 points on this. So, you know, if you grabbed 100 shares, you made between $1,000 and $1,500 on this trade here. And that's one of my favorite trading setups that we look for.